Hi guys, in the last class we learned about FileWriter and writing the data to a file. Now today in this session we will be learning about FileReader class. Now the objects of this FileReader class are used to read data in specific character data from a file. So, it is implicit that file is existing and from that file we want to read character data. So, there are two types of constructors: file reader, fr is equal to new file reader, and obviously you can specify the file name, or else we already discussed every file can be handled by a specific file descriptor. So, new file reader we can use file descriptor. So, these two are the constructors. Now, coming to the methods, the very purpose of file reader is to read the character data. So, the first method, so these are the constructors. So, the purpose is to read the data from a file, and these are the constructors, and the method, the first method is read method. This read will return an integer. So, it is int read. This will try to read next character from the file, and it will reads the next character from the file and returns the Unicode or ASCII code of that character. So, if you want to read character by character, you can use this read method, and obviously when there is no character available to read, it will return -1. That means when all the reading of all the characters is exhausted, it will return -1. So, it is reading one character by character, but you may get the doubt, because we are getting integer, how do we print? What is the use of printing integers? So, what we can do? We can do typecasting to character and we can print them. The second method is reading a character array. So, this is also it will return an integer, read character array ch. So, it will read a character array and then it will return that character, and it will return the number of characters that have been copied. So, let us try out an example. Already we created a file. Let me show you that file. So, it is in my Eclipse workspace. So, this was my file 1, that is what we have already created, and this is the data that is available in that file. So let us write an example program to understand these methods. New class, FileReader demo. FileReader demo. So obviously we have to import which package? java.io, and let us write the main method. And because these methods throw an IO exception, so it's always safe to specify IO exception, throws IO exception. So now let us create a file descriptor. File fd so which file we are going to use? My file 1 my file 1, sorry. So we are going to use my file 1. So new file my file 1 dot txt. So this is the file descriptor I have created. Now let us create the file reader object. File reader fr is equal to the constructor new file reader, and let us use fd, the file descriptor. So now we have got an object of file reader. So let us say we will read character by character. So int ch, the character, is equal to fr dot read. It will read one character. It will read one character. It will read one character. And what we can do is we can print each character. So but I don't want to print integer, so what I will do is typecasting it as a character. So it is the typecasting as a character. So only one. Next again I want to read. So ch is equal to fr dot read. Now this I want to repeat using a loop till, what is the condition? Till there is no character available. So while ch is not equal to -1, if it is exhausted, then we will go on printing. Then we can close the reader and we can even close the file descriptor, right. So what we are doing is we are reading data from a file and we are printing it on the console. This is what we are going to see. So this is character by character. Because we have used println, it has been printed, each character has been printed in new line. So instead of that, if we use print, it will be printed as that was there in the text file. So, this is the first read method, Then we have another method where we can read the characters into an array. So, let us see that one also. Instead of int ch, let us say character array ch, and let us define the new character array. So, what should be the length of the file? So, fd dot length. But if you remember, fd dot length returns a long type of variable. So, here again I have to convert it into an integer. So, I will use the typecasting, and I will tell the compiler to consider fd dot length as an integer for this instance. So, I defined an character array. Now, let us perform fr dot read ch. So, it will read all the characters into a stream. Now, what we can do is, we need not use for loop, we can directly print while loop. We can take for each loop, for each character C in ch. What I want to do is not println, but print C. Now, let us run this program and see the output, same output. So, we have used two methods. The first method is read one character by character. Second one, reading all the characters into a string, a character array. So, this is about FileReader. Did you observe any disadvantage with the FileReader? Either we can read character by character, or we can read the whole length into an array, but there is no facility of reading line by line. That we will see in the next classes. Thank you.